Geometric progression. Today we are going to learn geometric progression. So first of all, what is a geometric progression? Geometric progression होती क्या है? Suppose we have a sequence like 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and so on. We have this sequence. Here first term of the sequence is 2. A1 is 2, right? A2 is 4. A3 is 8. A4 is 16 and so on, right? If we find A2 by A1, then it is 2 by 4, that is equal to half, right? Sorry, A2 by A1, that is 4 by 2, that is equal to 2, right? And if we find A3 by A2, then it is 8 by 4, as because A3 is 8, that is also 2. Now next, if we find A4 upon A3, that is 16 upon 8, that is also equal to 2. Every time when we are dividing next term by the previous term, we are getting 2, right? Such sequence, so we can say here ratio of two consecutive terms is constant. दो continuous terms का ratio constant है. Such sequence in which ratio of any two consecutive terms is constant are known as GP sequence, right? So this sequence is a GP sequence. यहाँ पर हम A2 and A1 का ratio find करते हैं. Ratio of A2 with A1, that is 2. Sorry. Ratio of A3 with A2, that is also 2. Ratio of A4 with A3, that is also 2, right? ऐसी टर्म्स जिसमें कंटिन्यूस टर्म्स का रेशियो सेम रहता है उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? जीपी सीक्वेंस या ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन, राइट? दिस कांस्टेंट रेशियो 2 इज नोन एज कॉमन रेशियो. कॉमन रेशियो, कांस्टेंट रेशियो का नाम क्या होता है? कॉमन रेशियो. तो 2 हमारा यहाँ पर क्या है? कॉमन रेशियो, राइट? कॉमन रेशियो इज डिनोटेड बाय R and we can express R as an any nth term upon an minus 1, यानी कि previous term, any term divided by previous term. For example, here R can be found by A2 by A1, by A3 by A2 or by A4 by A3. This R is known as common ratio of the GP, right? So in general we can express a geometric progression by first term A is equal to A1 is equal to A, then second term A2 is A into R, because if we find A2 upon A1, that will be AR upon A, that is R, right? A3 can be written as A3 is equal to AR square, right? So A3 upon A2 will be AR square upon AR, that is equal to also equal to R. In similar pattern, A1 is A, A2 is AR, R to the power 1, A3 is AR square. If we write A4, then it will be AR cube, and in similar pattern if we write nth term, that is AN of GP, that will be A. इस सीक्वेंस को अगर हम देखें, फर्स्ट टर्म में यहाँ R नहीं है, मीन R की पावर क्या है? 0. सेकेंड टर्म में R की पावर 1 है, थर्ड में R रेज़ टू पावर 2 है. जो टर्म हम फाइंड करते हैं R की पावर उससे एक लेस होती है. A4 को अगर आप देखेंगे तो AR क्यूब है, R टू द पावर क्यूब है. nth टर्म अगर फाइंड करते हैं तो nth टर्म विल बी A into R to the power यहाँ पर जो नंबर है nth टर्म हम फाइंड कर रहे हैं, सो पावर r की पावर क्या होगी, n-1, एक लेस होगी, राइट। दिस इज nth टर्म ऑफ ए जीपी, दिस इज जनरल फॉर्मूला फॉर nth टर्म ऑफ ए जीपी, an, that is a into r to the power n-1, right. So geometric progression is a sequence in which ratio of consecutive terms is constant and nth term of GP an is a into r to the power n, right.